In a lush, heavily wooded neighborhood of São Paulo, Giudice House rises like a restored memory reborn. Commissioned by a family with teenage children, this dwelling honors the charm of its pre-existing German chalet style, while transforming into a luminous, open home where warmth, nature and togetherness dwell side by side. The facades are dark externally, creating contrast with the bright, warm interior. New large glass windows are introduced in the front facade. A metal structure pergola guards the entrance and filters light. The renovation kept the main structural characteristics. Wooden roof structure with restored trusses, stone walls, original chalet aesthetic. By removing the attic slab, the structure allowed for increased ceiling height in living room, more openness and vertical volume. This also helps with thermal comfort by giving more volume for air movement. The social wing. The areas of entrance, living room, kitchen and circulation have been integrated. Partition walls that used to separate the social wing, kitchen, and circulation removed to create a generous, open living and leisure area. Three-bedroom suites distributed along the lateral facades under the pre-existing roof slope, each with generous ceiling height and private balconies. New glass windows, sliding glass frames, skylights in the circulation gallery, and light reflector base materials are used to bring light deep into rooms. Sliding frames allow cross-ventilation when opened. The increased ceiling height in social spaces helps warm air rise, improving thermal comfort. Flooring is porcelain, walls and lowered ceilings painted white, wooden trusses restored, roof ceiling lined with towery wood planks which add warmth and balance proportions. The decor evokes the traditional chalet style, cozy, warm, but reinterpreted. Clean lines, solid wood, comfortable furniture rather than ornate. Blend of rustic textures of wood and stone with modern finishes and bright colors inside. In the gourmet terrace plus pool area, the terracotta color feature wall plus glazed tiles add character and contrast. Front and rear courtyards are fundamental to shaping vistas, since no privileged horizon views. Trees surrounding the house give visual shielding, privacy and a natural buffer. The entrance garden is visually connected to the interior through glass windows and pergola, enhancing permeability. Giudice House stands as a bridge between memory and modern life, cherishing its historical soul, the German chalet roots, and yet daring for openness, light and family connection. It is a home where volumes speak, where trusses rest visible, where stone, wood, glass and air work together to create warmth, comfort and shared living. In embracing both what was and what could be, it becomes more than a renovated house. It becomes a home reborn.